I am Deep Sangeet Maiti, your mentor and educator for this particular course, that is AutoCAD. So, in this particular course, we are going to start particularly with the software. So, once you start the AutoCAD, you will see this particular window. Okay, this is the Autodesk AutoCAD 2023. Okay, so we are using the latest version when I am recording this video. Okay, so you can see different options: home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, etc. You can see this. All these options are deactivated. Yes, they are not yet activated. Yes, because we haven't started any file, okay, for the AutoCAD. So for starting the work on AutoCAD, you have to go, you can see two options are there, open and new. Okay, you have to go here, that is new option. You can see this drop down menu. Once you click left into this, you will see that there are different templates will open. Here you can see AutoCAD ISO.dwt. Now I am going to use browse templates. See, why I am going into this templates? Actually, this templates plays a very important role for drawing in 2D or any 3D. Okay, because this will ensure that your units are proper, and there are lots of rest of the things which are very important on due to this browse templates. We will see one by one once we start the AutoCAD. So I am going to use browse template. So left click onto this browse template. One thing I would suggest you, just focus on the clicks which I am saying. Sometime I will say left click, sometime I will say right click, sometime I will say click on the cursor, sometime I will say control plus left click, control plus right click. So all these terminologies, all these options I am going to say in between the lectures, that you have to concentrate. Okay, so I was talking about browse templates. So there are lots of templates which you can see. This one, if you want to work in fits and inches, then you can use this AutoCAD. And if you want to use metric like meter, like that, okay, if you want to use the units in or meter, then you can use AutoCAD ISO, and obviously .dwt. Okay, so I want to use in metric system. Okay, so I am going to use AutoCAD ISO. So press on this and then here open. So once you open the template, then you will see this screen. Now you can see these options are activated now: home, insert, annotate, parametric, view. Once you left click on any option, that option will be activated. Now these are activated now. So here, this is the file management options: new, open, save, save as. Already some of the options you are aware of. Rest of the options I will tell you in detail one by one, okay, in future. So this one, then you can see here there are some other options are there: new, open. So new, open you can access from here as well. New, open, save, save as, those file management options you can use from here as well. Okay, so there are lots of other options are there: undo, print, plot, etc, etc. I will tell you one by one in detail. Okay, now here you can see this is the workspace. Okay, this is the workspace that defines the workspace. suppose you want to use AutoCAD 2D, then you have to select draft and annotations. Suppose you want to use AutoCAD 3D, then you have to go 3D basics. Once you click on left click on 3D basics, you can see the options are changed here. The options are changed like box, extrude. So these are the 3D options. Once you go to 3D modeling, then again the options will get changed. So this is how we define our, you can say, the workspace, or this is also known as quick access toolbar. So I am going to use drafting and annotations for AutoCAD 2D. So these are the 2D options which are going to be activated. Okay, so as of now, I am going to start with drafting and annotations. Okay, so this is the AutoCAD title. Okay, the title is drawing3.dwg. Okay, yes, the extension file you can see. The extension of the AutoCAD is .dwg. This is the information center. Okay, here you can type anything. The help dialog box of AutoCAD will open. Suppose if I type line, L-I-N-E line, and click on enter. So you will see this. All the information regarding line and anything, it will come here. Okay, so this is known as Autodesk help, or you can say this is the information center. As I am teaching you all this, so I'm hoping that you won't have to use that much this option. Okay, yes, there are lots of other options are there. Once we move forward, you will get in touch with those things. This is the very important thing, very important bar actually. This is known as command bar or command line. Here you write the command, okay, and that command will get started and you can work on AutoCAD. Actually, the previous versions of AutoCAD, I would say very late versions, actually around 15 to 20 years ago, only we used to use AutoCAD. Means suppose you want to work in the AutoCAD, you have to use this command line or command bar. But now, in spite of using command, you can use this options as well. Okay, like let us say, let me write something onto this command. Okay, I have clicked left so that the command bar will get activated. Once the command bar got activated, now I can write the command. Like let us suppose, let me write line. So I am giving command to the AutoCAD. I am giving command to the AutoCAD that start line, but the line command is not yet activated. How to activate that? You have to press enter. After writing line, you have to press enter. Once you press the enter, the line command will get activated. Now you have to follow all these things. See, line specify first point. Means suppose you want to create line, you have to specify the first point. So this is how the command line is helpful. Okay. Even, okay, suppose I want to exit this line command. I want to come out from this line command. Then you have to press escape button. Escape, ESC, escape button from your keyboard. You will come out of this line command. Even if I left click on this onto this line here from this options. Suppose if I left click onto this one. Once I click left here, again you can see this line command got activated. That will be featured in the command bar or command line. So this is how this works. Okay, so whatever menu you are activating from this dialog box, or you can say this ribbon bar, okay, from these options, that will be featured, that will be reflected in the command line. Let me left click on circle. This is the circle, right? Okay, here you can see this is the circle. So once I left click onto this circle, you will see that in the command line, this circle got activated, and you can use different options of circle. I hope you got my point. Now, suppose I want to exit this circle command. I want to come out from this circle command. You have to press escape button. So this is the importance of command. In the initial days of AutoCAD,